Hello guys, recently I did review for this perfect mechanical keyboard from YUNZII, and this is AL71 mechanical keyboard, and I really enjoy how this keyboard is built, this aluminum case and all of this, but I want to make it even better. So if you want to have like even more brighter RGB and some very interesting keycaps, just follow me. Today we are gonna to do some modding of this keyboard using this side legend keycaps, this special cable, one very interesting desk pad, and set of just super interesting keycaps. Let's go. This keyboard, guys, is great by many reasons. It's gasket mounted, it's a flex cut, it's actually a piece of art. I'm still wondering how these guys managed to do it with given budget. But one thing is bringing my attention, and this is we have these LEDs on a PCB and they are south facing. That's why I will use this special keycaps with side print. But these LEDs covered with this piece of foam and actually make it less bright. So we need just remove this layer and just leave it with only this film actually, so it will be much brighter. So now you see it's much brighter. So basically it was like this before, right? And now it's without this foam, much brighter. So let's go and finish our assembly, and then I will show you magic. Here you go, guys. What do you think? What do you think about what we just built together with you? I think it's awesome. Moreover, it's more practical. You can check my another video somewhere here when I use these keycaps with another keyboard with north facing LED, right? And it was nice, but you cannot use this for typing if you don't know how to blindly type. But in this case, actually you can type. Let me show you. So basically now you can see the legends, right? You can type. Obviously, it's all depend on your preference, how you would like to see it, like bright, full, or just a little bit to catch where is what. And obviously it's fun for game. And if you want to check how this keyboard sounds before, just check my initial review of this keyboard on my channel. And if you want to see something else, just let me know and I will be happy to do review of it for you. See you next time. Bye bye.